total miracle here. She had cysts. What's your name, sweetie? Mari. Did you feel it before? Because I don't see nothing, no. Busca un espejo. Yeah. You had a ball there. It's gone in the name of Jesus. Holy Spirit, just burn out the cyst. Jesus. Sister Daya, what do you have in your mouth? A space, a gap? You had any feelings? Anybody have black feelings? I'm looking for feelings. No feelings, just a gap. Let me see what you have. Open wide. What color were these feelings? Open wide. Did you have cold fear before? No? Open wide. Put your tongue in. Okay. Look, she didn't have gold before. Check it out yourself. She didn't have gold. Open wide. Look at that. What color are those fillings? Lean back, sweetie. Right there. Just open wide. Like, it's gold fillings. Turn the light on the camera. Wait. Okay. Open wide there. Look. Come here.
Come here.
Open wide.
What do you mean? There's a shine inside of it.
Look at that right there. In the back.
Where? Up there.
All the way in the back. Let me see yours, sweetie. Open wide.
I don't have any feelings.
No. Open wide, sister. Let me see. Let me see the top ones. What color were the top ones? Okay, put your tongue in. Look at that right there. Okay. ¿Quién más? Okay. Yes, sweetheart.
There's a shiny thing in your...
Yeah, let me see.
Where?
Open wide. Oh, right at the top, brand new. Like white gold. And then this one is turning. Look at, you see the black and then the gold in the middle? You see it?
Yes,
You see it? It's changing. You see it changing? Come and see. It's changing. Yeah, it's black around because it starts from the middle and works itself way out.
It's in the middle.
Man, I'm hungry.